There has been so much talk lately on the immune system and vitamins that help support and boost our immune system. Did you know that there are more vitamins than just vitamin C that help to do that? So, what are those immune system booster vitamins? Let's talk about it. My name is Kevion Miller. I am a registered dietitian nutritionist and the owner of themillerskitchen.com. Today, I want to share with you 5 immune system booster vitamins. The first vitamin I want to talk to you about is the most common one, the one everybody knows about, and that one is vitamin C. So yes, vitamin C is wonderful. It does support our immune system, but we get vitamin C from more than just orange juice and oranges. We get vitamin C from strawberries, we get vitamin C from broccoli, and even Brussels sprouts. The second vitamin that I want to talk to you about, this one is probably not very much known, and it's one of the B vitamins, vitamin B6. So yes, vitamin B6 helps to support our immune system, and we get it from beans, peas, and also meat. The third vitamin that I want to cover with you is vitamin E. Vitamin E is wonderful because it supports our immune system and it also helps to fight free radicals that might be roaming around in our body. Free radicals are things that can cause damage to our cells. So of course we don't want that because we want to be healthy, right? If we have too much free radicals roaming around, it's going to cause damage. It's going to put us at risk for different diseases. So that's why vitamin E is so important. And we get vitamin E from nuts, seeds, and even peanut butter. So I have covered with you so far. So far we've talked about vitamin C, vitamin B6, and vitamin E. The fourth vitamin I want to talk to you about is vitamin A. So with vitamin A, most people can kind of readily recognize it as the vitamin that helps with our eyesight, which yes, it does. But it's also one of our important vitamins for our immune system. The foods that we get vitamin A from are going to be those bright orange and red fruits and vegetables, like a red pepper or even cantaloupe. So the next vitamin that I want to speak to you about is super important. This is the 5th vitamin that helps with our immune system, and it's vitamin D. So with vitamin D, it is one of those vitamins that many people are very deficient in. And while it may be important to supplement for it, I always recommend that you check with your doctor. You want to get your labs done so that we can actually see if your vitamin D levels are low. Then from that point, your doctor will recommend a level of vitamin D for you to take to get your vitamin D up to what's considered normal. It's never a good idea to just supplement with something, especially something like vitamin D, when you don't know if you're deficient. You always want to find out first. Don't just start taking a vitamin like that, especially, and you don't know if you're deficient. Some of the main food sources of vitamin D include our eggs, our dairy products, salmon, and also some fortified cereals, which many people don't know about. And that could be something like maybe a Cheerios. These better for us, lower sugar cereals, they have been fortified with certain vitamins and minerals to boost the nutritional value of it. So that is my short summary for you, but I have great news. I created an awesome educational handout that goes into even more details than what I've shared with you today. You'll get a full list of the foods and which vitamins supply the vitamins that we need for these foods. So you'll see the link below for my immune system booster vitamins, which comes complete with my free food list. Along with that food list, you'll get 3 recipes from me, 3 immune system booster recipes, and I have some additional information in there for you as well. So if that sounds good, you can click on the link below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and email me anytime.